Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the current desk booking features in Microsoft Places. We're starting here in Calendar in Outlook. This is Outlook on the web, but you can use the same features in New Calendar, whether you're in New Outlook on your desktop or New Calendar in Teams. First thing we're going to do is take a look at the Places card. So if I look at tomorrow, you can see my workplace schedule is set to be in the office. If I click here, it gives me more information. It tells me I'm in the College Green office. These other colleagues are also in the College Green office. And immediately you can see here, I've got this quick link to reserve desk number 1. So Places knows that I don't have a desk booked yet, and it's letting me book this one very quickly. I've also got this link, so if I wanted to choose a different desk, then I can click this link and this will open up the desk finder. And this shows us a map. It shows us a list of available desks down the side here. I can see the date and time that I've got selected, and I can change that here if I want to by clicking on. If I want desks with any particular features, for example, wheelchair accessible, I can select a filter here, and now it's down to 30 desks, and I can just view those like so. I can also choose a different building and a different floor here. When you first open the map, when you're looking for a desk, you can't see the coloured hotspots. You have to zoom in like this. This will show me green ticks where desk is available and grey where it's not available. And you can also see, or you could see here, a photograph of my colleague where my colleague Sally Smith is sitting. I'm finding this to be a little intermittent in how well it works. You can see sometimes the photo is there and sometimes it isn't. It does seem to depend. In theory, you can also search for people to see where they're sitting, but also again, I'm finding this to be intermittent. So this is the current functionality we're seeing here for desks in Microsoft Places. So let's say I do want to sit with Sally, and her photo is available. So we'll book a desk. Next, I can click it here on the map. That will highlight the desk here, show me the information about the desk, and I can book it. So that request has now been sent, and I will close. So behind the scenes, my desk booking has been made. If I look to my email, I should get an acceptance back from the desk. I do. I like to see that as confirmation, but I don't need to keep it. I'll delete that. Let's take a look back at the calendar. So one thing you'll notice here is that my booking is not in my calendar. So this is by design. A feature was rolled out to New Outlook, which added filters, and desk bookings are automatically made as reservations rather than appointments or meetings, and reservations are not shown by default. So my booking is there, it is in my calendar, but it's hidden. So if I tick this on, we will see that here is the booking that I've made in Desk 7. But I'm going to turn that off again, like so. So you can see now if I click at the top here, for tomorrow, it shows me that I've got Desk 7 booked. So that's really quite simple, and it's convenient that it's in the Places card. It shows me I can just go to each day of the week. I can see which days I've got a desk book, which ones I haven't, and I can choose the one that's being offered or find another one. The other ways you can book a desk are from the new event drop-down list. You have a desk button. If I click this, it just opens exactly the same desk finder as we've just seen. So we won't go through that again. And also, I'll show you desks in the Places app. This is one way to get to the Places app here from the Places card. So you can add the app into Outlook and Teams, and you can also load it from a tab in your browser. So this is showing me, I'm on the Explore tab here. This is always showing me for today on the Explore tab. And if I want to book a desk for today, I can do that from here. Help me find a desk. Again, you'll see once you open this, it's the familiar Desk Finder app that we're now seeing everywhere you might want to book a desk. One thing is that this interface for booking desks is slightly different to the interface for booking rooms. There are some key differences. You know, in the rooms here, you see all the filters across the top. The map opens up at a reasonable size rather than a small size like this one does. And there are one or two other differences. And if I look at the people view, again, I can see the Places card. I can also book a desk from here. Oh, it's handy. I've clicked on Thursday and it shows me that desk 22 is declined. So I'll cancel that reservation from here and book another one. I'm going to conveniently click the quick book here to reserve desk number 1. And that has been sent. So that is a quick look at booking desks in Microsoft Places. Please check out our other Places content for an introduction in room booking, collaboration features, workplace presence configuration, and tips for creating floor plans. Thank you.